In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Google Analytics to Teachable. By the end, you'll have your Teachable school sending visitor data into Google Analytics 4, so you can see where traffic comes from and how people engage with your pages and courses. First, if you don't already have Google Analytics, head to analytics.google.com and sign in. Create a new account and property. A property is simply the container that tracks your website or app. When prompted to choose a platform, select Web and create a web data stream for your Teachable site. Google will generate a measurement ID that begins with G. This ID uniquely identifies your stream. Copy it and keep it handy. You'll paste it into Teachable in a moment. You don't need to copy any script tags, just the measurement ID that starts with G. If you ever need to find that ID again, open Google Analytics and click the admin gear icon at the bottom left. Under the Property column, click Data Streams, choose Web, and then select your website URL. That page is your Web Data Stream Details screen, and at the top right, you'll see the measurement ID that looks like G, followed by letters and numbers. Make sure you're looking at the correct property, especially if you manage multiple sites. Now let's connect it to Teachable. Log in to your Teachable admin. From your dashboard, go to the App Hub. Search for or locate the Google Analytics 4 app. Click Install to begin. You'll see a field asking for your measurement ID. Paste the G ID you copied from Google Analytics. Double-check that there are no extra spaces or characters. Accuracy matters here. When you're ready, click Install again to save and activate the integration. That's the setup. After the connection is live, Analytics may take some time to populate reports. Real-time reporting often updates within minutes, while standard reports can take up to 24 hours. If you want to confirm that data is flowing, open the Real-Time section in Google Analytics, and then visit your Teachable site in another browser tab to generate activity. If you don't see any activity after a while, verify that the measurement ID in Teachable exactly matches the one in your web data stream and that you installed the Google Analytics 4 app for the correct school. With this in place, you'll be able to track traffic and engagement across your Teachable storefront and course pages, helping you make informed decisions about content, marketing, and user experience. Thanks for watching, and happy analyzing.